Hey everyone, it's Dave Wilkes with Road Trip with the Wilkses, and I'm at Chestnut Lake, and we have kind of a special thing. You'll see here hopefully in a few minutes. But one of the advantages of living the RV lifestyle and coming to a campground is letting the kids experience something like this. So we will see Ethan coming around here in a moment, and Annabella. Let's see him come. Maybe they'll be coming. Maybe I'll just go around the corner. Oh, there it is. See it? And there it is, Thomas Tank Engine Ride. Lots of fun. So, hope you guys are having a great day, but we're at Chestnut Lake and enjoying this fun time, and Thomas the Tank Engine will ride. Talk to y'all later. Again, this Road Trip with the Wilkses. Bye.